Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best portable workbenches. A portable, multifunctional workbench can act as an extra pair of hands for loads of jobs in your workshop or garage. It is a useful and stable work surface, plus when the job is done it will fold flat, so it's light and easy to transport or store. We ranked portable workbenches on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the #1 spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The portable workbench coming in at number 5 is the Bosch Workbench PWB600. This workbench is really mobile. It's only 9 cm wide when flat and is quick to set up within 5 seconds, plus it's designed to let you work safely. It is a compact, versatile, multifunctional tool that is able to carry out a wide range of jobs in the workshop and hold material up to 200 kilograms. The Bosch PWB600 workbench is robust and convenient with a water repellent durable surface made from bamboo. Number 4 on our list is the Performance Tools W54025 Portable Multipurpose Workbench. This folding design is for compact storage. This multi-purpose workbench has a working load capacity of 200 pounds. It has a tabletop printed grid with a ruler and protractor, plus 4 bench dogs for odd-shaped pieces. The Performance Tools W54025 can be used to hold workpieces safely in place whilst you're working on them, and the open space feature makes it versatile for cuts or holes. The portable workbench coming in at number 3 is the Black+Decker Workmate Portable Workbench WM125. This workbench has a heavy duty construction that supports up to 350 pounds and it folds flat for easy storage and transportation. It's lightweight and compact to use in a garage or workshop with a durable steel frame and wooden vice jaws. It's versatile to meet all your needs. The Black+Decker workbench has slip resistant feet to prevent sliding, plus swivel pegs that are adjustable to clamp irregular shapes. Number 2 is the Keter 197283 Folding Table Workbench. This portable workbench is compact, plus it is sturdy and steady as it's made from heavy duty resin with aluminium legs that prevent rust or denting and can support up to 1000 pounds. It's designed to be versatile and all-weather proof. Made from polypropylene, so zero maintenance required and it's fade free. The Keter 197283 folding workbench weighs just 30 pounds and it unfolds in 30 seconds, which means you don't need to pause your project for long, and it's simple to move from job to job with its built-in handle. Finally, coming in at number 1, the portable workbench that we recommend is the Worx WX051 Pegasus. This work table is collapsible and lightweight, so it folds easily and quickly, and it's only 30 pounds, so light, quick and easy to set up, especially if you work in a lot of different places. It has a high load capacity as it can hold up to 300 pounds or 1000 pounds as a saw table, but it is light and engineered to be sturdy. The Worx WX051 Pegasus workbench has a really useful folding tray at the base, which is designed to hold power tools, power strips or anything else you may need on the job. So that's it, the top 5 portable workbenches which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful workshop or garage tool tips, do drop them in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.